I'm going to show you one of my favorite setups here for hip internal rotation to train and improve it. This is especially nice if the 90-90 position does not feel great for you. It's a great alternative. So what I like to do, I have a pad under my knee. I'm in a half kneeling position. If I'm working my left hip here, which I am, I'm going to have something to my right side that I can push my foot into. So this can be an ottoman, a couch, etc. Something that's not going to move. So I have a weight on the other side of it actually so that I don't push it over or make it slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start here. I want to be nice and stable, and I'm going to lift my foot a little bit, and then this is fixed, right? It's not going to move anymore. So I'm going to rotate my pelvis and my body as much as I can. I'm going to bring this foot with me, right, so that I feel a stretch in this hip, but I don't want to feel too much in the knee here. So just be mindful. You want to feel it in the hip. Now from this position, I can use this for some support, but I can also hold on to something. So I want you to be really stable when you're doing this so you can create a lot of force. All right, so you're going to go into a stretch here, and then you're going to take a few nice deep breaths. I recommend taking 30 to 60 seconds here before you do the isometrics. So that's going to be driving my leg this way. So as if I'm trying to internally rotate my hip. So I'll show you here. The effort is pushing like that. Of course, nothing's going to move. All right, so I'm going to wind up into this nice stretch where I can't lift off, I can't move. I'm going to take some time, and then for the isometric, as we like to do, it's going to be a slow build up to high intensity. Then we're going to sustain that high intensity for 8 to 10 seconds. All right, so you can follow along with me or just watch. I'll show you. All right, so ready? I'm going to start driving this foot in as if I'm trying to rotate my leg through that box. Okay, I'm building up, building up. Now I'm getting to a really high, tough effort and sustaining that, okay, for about 8 to 10 seconds. Once I get to that limit, I'm going to slowly relax and even try to ease into a little more rotation. So I can try and just gently turn a little more. Sometimes your body will give you a little more rotation there. Okay, so this is a fantastic setup to strengthen and improve hip internal rotation and get a nice stretch. Again, get yourself stable as much as possible. I find if I even have something to hold on to or push into with this arm, I can get a lot more intensity here. So you can create a lot of force in this position, sometimes more easily than from a 90-90.